But these are our 3D models that we've had printed to show the 4 stages of construction on the Nene Bridge project. So this is the first model, and all this is showing is the existing pier geometry. So that's as we find them before we do any works. The second model shows the extent of the hydro demolition. So on this we just knock the top corners off of each of the pier legs in order to create a key in for the structure, and this is that we scarify the actual pier face so the new structure will adhere to it. This next model, this shows the first pour stage. So this here is rebars complete, and this is what the concrete will look like on our first lift. And you can see here the lines coming through, so we're matching the original geometry, we're just beefing it up somewhat. Right, so this is the fourth model. This is showing the completed reinforced jacket, the final pour complete. Basically what we've created here is we've strengthened the structure, strengthened the pier, and we've created jacking points on the top here. So we'll stick jacks down on here, we'll lift the deck above and put down on temporary bearings, and then we'll hydro them out this section to replace the permanent bearings prior to putting them back down on it. So that there is the model for the 4 land piers, and this final model is for the 2 piers which you have out in the river. So this level here is a concrete temporary slab we've put in to create the working platform, and the blue lines delineate the different pours. So first of all we'll pour a 200mm corbel slab, and then our first pour of the jacket comes up to this blue line here, and the final pour will be the two legs on the top.